Shin Chan, a young scholar in his early 20s with sharp eyes and high cheekbones, sits in a dimly lit study. Dressed in a blue Tang dynasty robe with gold embroidery and a jade pendant, he examines an ancient scroll on a wooden desk, surrounded by shelves filled with scrolls. Candlelight casts shadows on his face. Through a paper window, distant mountains are visible under the glow of the moon. Shin Chan, feeling the weight of his destiny, prepares for a journey into the unknown, stepping out of his study with determination and anxiety. Shin Chan, now with a bamboo staff, enters a dense bamboo forest bathed in swirling mist. The tall green stalks around him seem to pulse with magical energy. Floating blue lights illuminate the path as Shin Chan walks cautiously, scanning his surroundings with sharp eyes. Suddenly, a fox spirit with 9 golden tails and piercing yellow eyes appears before him. Its mischievous grin hints at hidden knowledge. Shin Chan listens intently as the fox speaks cryptic words. The forest seems alive with mystery, as glowing runes and faint fireflies guide his path deeper into the forest's heart. Shin Chan approaches an old wooden bridge suspended over a deep canyon, the mist swirling beneath him. As he steps cautiously on the creaky planks, shadowy illusions emerge, showing a version of him as a failed scholar, desperate and broken. The visions flicker and distort as Shin Chan grips his bamboo staff tightly, his determination never faltering. The bridge begins to shatter under his feet, sending splinters into the abyss below. Yet, with focus and strength, he balances himself, crossing to the other side where the ground solidifies beneath his feet, his jade pendant glowing brightly with newfound inner strength. In an ancient cave illuminated by glowing jade crystals, Shin Chan stands in awe before a massive jade dragon, coiled around a stone pedestal. The dragon's emerald scales shimmer with ancient power. Its wise, whiskered face opens its luminous green eyes, and as it speaks, golden Chinese symbols float in the air. Shin Chan listens, deep in thought, his bamboo staff resting by his side. The dragon poses a final question, and as Shin Chan contemplates, a glowing jade pendant floats towards him. With a calm hand, he grasps the pendant, his face reflecting the wisdom and clarity he has gained on his journey. Shin Chan walks down from the mountains at Sunrise, his blue Tang robe slightly worn from his journey. His jade pendant glows faintly as he carries his bamboo staff over his shoulder. The misty mountains fade into the golden morning light behind him. Returning to his village, Shin Chan shares his adventure with the elders and children, their faces filled with awe. The red lanterns glow softly as they listen eagerly to his tales. Now dressed in a white scholar's robe, Shin Chan teaches young scholars in a peaceful courtyard, his jade pendant glowing faintly as he imparts the wisdom he has gained. His journey has transformed him, but he knows this is just the beginning of a new chapter in his life.